teman-teman. Asian Games. Our show Asian Games figure like this,
Yes.
like this. Come on, like this, like this, come on. Nah.
Mana ya? Hindayu. Lulu belum. Dwi Andini. Which one? Dwi Andini. Hai.
Welcome to Singapore.
Ready for it?
Yes. The Nanyang Technology University is an autonomous research university in Singapore. Nanyang Technology University is constantly ranked amongst the world's best universities in all the major colleges and university ranks and is regarded as one of the top universities in the world.
The building. Oh my god.
Merlion Park is a Singapore landmark and major tourist attraction located at One Fulton, Singapore. Near the Central Business District or CBD, the Merlion is a mythical creature with a lion head and the body of a beast that is widely used as a mascot and national personification of Singapore.
Okay guys, okay now we are arrived at Merlion Park.
Merlion
Park
Park.
is the legend symbol of Singapore.
Pasti lebih
It's a
clear.
good job, oh my god. So wonderful. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, tower. Woohoo! We are staying in Merlion Park. Hi! Where are you from?
Botswana.
Oh my goodness! Success! Yeah!
The Malaysia-Singapore border is an international maritime border between the South Asia country of Malaysia, which lies to the north of the border, and Singapore to the south. The border is to a large extent formed by straight line between maritime geographical coordinates, running along or near the deepest channel of the Strait of Johor.
Arrived at EduCity in Malaysia. This is the center studio of Malaysia. We have university. Look at this. This is my friend from the vlog. Look at this. It's a building. It's a beautiful place. Come on, follow me. Assalamualaikum guys. Okay, this is the next place. The name is Legoland. We can do fun,
Fun and
experience,
selfie.
happy.
This is look.
Like we do fun or jungle land, the jungle.
You see Dufan?
Dufan
This
like
is
this.
Dufan is KW of Legoland.
Yeah. Similar. Okay, follow me, okay? Come on. Bye. Hi, okay guys. Now we arrived at Merah Petronas in Malaysia. It's a wonderful place.
In Kuala Lumpur.
So beautiful. Oh my god. Yeah.
Petronas, short from Petroleum Nasional Berhad, is a Malaysian oil and gas company that was born on 17 August 1974. Wholly owned by the government of Malaysia, the corporation is based with the entry oil and gas resource in Malaysia and is entrusted with the responsibility of developing and adding value of this resource.
All the girls on the block knocking at my door. Wanna know what it is, make the boys want more. Is your lover playing on your side? Said he loves you, but he ain't got time. Here's the answer, come and get it, and a knockdown prize. Hey! Full of honey, just to make him sweet. So ballin', just to help him see what he's been missing. So come and get it while you still got time.
Dengan idea-idea bisnes yang terkini meliputi banyak aspek lah. Jadi kita mengharapkan agar pelajar boleh nurture the idea untuk menjadi usahawan yang baik. Okey, pada semester kedua pelajar kita ada banyak kursus yang
Hi
Hi, guys.
Okay, this is day 3 and now we are arrived at Batu Cave. Look at this amazing, wonderful. You fun? Oh my god. We are going to look at this. Oh my god. Come on. Huh? Bye. It's from Indy. Hello, namaste. So you so beautiful, mom. Acha, ini ya. Thank you. Okay guys, finally we are arrived at Putrajaya in Malaysia. It's a beautiful place. Look at this.